How to change your account email in Whatnot application. Hello and welcome back everybody. If you're trying to change your Whatnot email and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do that. So let's get started. We can start by opening up Whatnot for that, and once we have opened up Whatnot, what we can do is basically head over to the account section directly once we are logged in, and within account we'll be finding this menu with different settings available. Now in order to change our email, it's super easy. From the given options, you can scroll down and find the section called Change Email. It is between account controls and change password. Find it up and tap on it. After that, we will be taken to another page. We will be redirected to another page. Now wait for that page to load up, and this is the following interface we should be finding. So for that, first of all, we need to enter up our current password that we have on the Whatnot application that we used in order to create our account. For security verification, you need to provide it up. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on forgot password and reset it and type in your current password once again. After it is confirmed, what we need to do is we need to reset our email. For that, we can type in our new email in this new email box, and then once you have done that, we can just go and confirm this up by tapping on change email and confirm that up. And once that is done, your email should be changed, and that's it. That is how you change your email on Whatnot application very easily. You can use the new email in order to log in into your account after that. And that's it, everybody. You may follow out this method if you want to change your email in Whatnot application. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.